Have you ever wondered why some people seem to create wealth effortlessly while others work tirelessly but see little progress? The difference isn't luck, it's strategy. Let me share a powerful idea with you. Wealth isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about understanding what people need and delivering it in a way that feels irresistible. Today, we're going to dive into some simple but transformative strategies to help you unlock value, create opportunities, and build lasting wealth, whether you're running a business, freelancing, or just starting with a side hustle. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and confidence to take your income to the next level. So, what makes something valuable? Let me tell you a story. Imagine you're walking through your neighborhood and you see two ice cream shops. One is a typical place that sells scoops of ice cream. The other has a fun theme, lets you pick your own toppings, and has a photo wall for Instagram moments. Which one are you drawn to? Chances are, it's the second shop. Why? Because it offers more than just ice cream. It delivers an experience. This is what makes something valuable. It's not just about the product or service itself. It's about how it makes people feel and how well it meets their needs. Think about what you're offering right now, whether it's a service, a product, or even an idea. Ask yourself, what do people really want from this? How can I make it easier, faster, or more exciting for them to get it? When you tap into what people truly value, you can charge more, reach more people, and build something that stands out. How to deliver results faster and smarter. Now let's talk about speed, specifically how quickly you can turn your effort into results. Here's an example. I knew someone who loved baking. They spent hours perfecting each cake, but could only take one order at a time. Then they had an idea. Instead of focusing on large custom cakes, they started selling smaller sampler boxes. These boxes were quicker to make, introduced their products to more people, and brought in more orders. It's the same for whatever you're offering. How can you simplify or streamline your process to deliver value faster? For example, if you're creating digital art, consider selling downloadable prints. If you're a writer, start by publishing shorter articles or guides instead of waiting to finish a full book. The faster you deliver value, the faster you build momentum. And momentum is everything when it comes to growth. Building loyalty, the foundation of wealth. Here's another secret. Wealth isn't just about one-time sales. It's about relationships. Think about your favorite brand or service. Why do you keep going back? Maybe it's their attention to detail, their reliability, or how they make you feel appreciated. Now, think about how you can apply that same principle to your work. Let's say you sell handmade jewelry. Instead of just shipping the product, what if you included a handwritten note thanking the buyer, or offered them a small discount on their next purchase? These small touches create loyalty, and loyal customers are the foundation of lasting wealth. They don't just buy once, they buy again and again, and they tell their friends. And finally, here are the actionable steps to get started. Now, let's make this practical. Here's how you can start unlocking value and wealth today. 1. Rethink what you offer. Look at your product or service and ask yourself, what are people really buying? It's not just the physical thing, it's the solution, the transformation, or the feeling it provides. Focus on that. 2. Streamline for speed. Find one way to deliver results faster. Can you simplify your process? Bundle your offerings? Create something smaller but just as impactful? 3. Build connection. Think about one thing you can do to make your audience or customers feel special. Whether it's a thank you message, a small bonus, or simply asking for their feedback, these gestures go a long way. 4. Start small, but start now. Don't wait for perfection. Take one small step today. List a product, share your idea, or offer your service to someone. Action beats planning every time. The truth is, creating wealth doesn't have to be complicated. It's about finding ways to create value, delivering results quickly, and building relationships that last. So here's my question for you. What's one thing you can start doing today to make your work more valuable or connect better with your audience? Reflect on it and then take that first step. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one idea you're excited to explore after watching this? Leave a comment below. I'd love to help you brainstorm ways to make it happen. And if this video gave you a new perspective, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ideas to grow your income and wealth. Remember, the journey to success starts with a single step. Take yours today.